Hey, what's up, brother Ron? Good day to you. So, once again, I'm here. I'm looking for air, air condition. So, what the name of this aircon?
Portable air.
Yo, so this is the portable air condition. So, the brand is Fabriano. Fabriano. So this aircon, the price is 20,216 good in cash. So if you want, just message me or we can talk regarding of this aircon. And this the other one also. This one is a pan. This air cooler only. We need aircon. So aircon to. So this is aircon. So brother Ron, hopefully this one is aircon that do you want. So the price is 20,216 good in cash, and the design is this.